Hey guys, today I'll just show you a very simple way to land your plane and take off. So the first thing you want to do is this is a tutorial for the Boeing 737-800. So you could just choose any airplane that you'd like. So this one or that one. We have American Airlines, KLM, and Qantas. Unfortunately, they don't have any more planes, but that's perfectly fine because I don't need more. So I'm just gonna choose KLM. The game is just loading, just be patient. So what you want to do is just set your flaps all the way to 40 degrees. And don't worry about the landing lines. I'm just going to do this just for fun. Just let that go down. Those are the flaps. Okay, so the flaps are down now to 40 degrees. And what you want to do is you just want to gently pull your throttle all the way. Once you reach 100 knots, just slightly pull your nose up, just like this. And just pull your landing gear up. So yeah, that's basically what you do. Then once you're more in the air, you just put your flaps back down to 0. And yeah, that's how you take off. Now I will show you how to land. I'm going to choose a different plane. Actually, no, this plane is pretty good. So the first thing you want to do, if you want to practice it, if you just want to practice landing, all you have to do is just press on this ILS right there. And just press that, yeah. And yeah, we're loaded in the landing. So when you're landing, just pull your flaps all the way to 40 and lower your landing gear. That was very simple. I can't explain it any more easier. So when you're landing, just make sure that you're always in the middle of the runway. Like I'm not on the runway, but just make sure you're lined up properly. And just lower your speed all the way to 145 knots. At least that's what I'm trying to do right now. So also when you're landing, see those 2 red and 2 white lights over there, right beside the runway? You want to have 2 red and 2 white. More white means you're too high, and more red means you're too low. So yeah, right now I have 2 red and 2 white, which means I'm at a perfect altitude, which is good news. But the bad news is that my flaps aren't going down. But don't pay much attention to that, just pay attention to what I'm doing through the landing. So just do just small, just do little, just small adjustments to your landing. Really, just do like just the tiniest adjustments, just so you don't roll off to the side or anything. Yeah, we're pretty close now. We're at 500. Now you want to cut your throttle to idle and gently pull your nose up just to make the landing nice and smooth. But if you want a hard landing, then go ahead. I'm not stopping you. Wow, that was very smooth. That was my smoothest landing so far. And yeah, that's how you land, basically. Wow, I just want to see this replay, because that was really smooth. I've never made my landing this smooth. See how smooth that was? You always want to make your landing just like that. Exactly like what I did here. But I obviously had lots of practice, and I had lots of practice, so yeah. So good luck on your landings, and see you next time.